us wind up when the beat comes on. The girls all line up and the boys all look, but no, they can't touch. But the girls want to know why boys like us so much.